Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 appear to have leaked ahead of their official debut, with short unboxing and hands-on clips making the rounds on TikTok. Smartphone expected to launch in March 2026. The Galaxy A37 in 5 colors: white, charcoal, gray-green, lavender, and navy. An upgraded 50MP Sony IMX906 primary sensor, an 8MP Galaxy Core GC08A3 ultra-wide camera and a 5MP Galaxy Core GC05A3 macro shooter, a 12MP Galaxy Core GC12A2 front-facing sensor. The benchmark database revealed that the Samsung Galaxy A37, bearing model code SMA376B, will be powered by the Exynos 1480 chip. The unit that ran the Geekbench test was running Android 16 and had 6 GB of RAM on board. The Exynos 1480 is the same chipset that Samsung has only used in the Galaxy A55. The Galaxy A37 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. Samsung managed to shave down the weight and thickness to 195 grams and 7.4 mm, keeping IP67 water and dust resistance intact. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.